Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Up. In the previous class, we discussed learning disabilities and their types. In today's class, we will study another important topic in child development and pedagogy, which is gifted children and creative learners. This topic helps teachers understand how to support students who have high abilities and creative thinking skills. So, let us begin today's session and understand gifted and creative learners in a detail. Every classroom has a diverse learners. Some students learn faster than deeply and show exponential abilities. Such students are called gifted children. Along with giftedness, creative is also as an important aspect of a learning. Teachers must understand how to identify and support gifted and creative learners. Gifted children are those who shows higher than average ability in one or more areas. These are areas may include intelligence, creativity, academic performance, leadership, artist ability. Gifted children learn faster and more effectively than others. Characteristics of gifted children. Gifted children often shows high intelligence, quick learning ability, strong memory, curiosity and interest in learning, ability to solve complex problems, advanced vocabulary. This may also prefer independent learning. Problems faced by gifted children. Gifted children may face some challenges, boredom in regular classroom, lack of proper guidance, social adjustment issues, feeling isolated from peers. Therefore, they need special attention and support. Meaning of creativity. Creativity refers to the ability to generate new and original ideas. Creative learners think differently, show imagination, find innovative solutions. Creativity is important for problem solving and innovation. Characteristics of creative learners. Creative learner shows imagination and originality, curiosity and questioning attitude, independent thinking, ability to think outside the box, flexibility in thinking. They often enjoy exploring new ideas. Role of teacher. Teachers play an important role in supporting gifted and creative learners. Teachers should provide challenging tasks, encourage creative thinking, allow freedom to expression, provide opportunities for exploration. A supportive teacher helps students develop their full potential. Teaching strategy. Effective teaching strategies included encouragement, enrichment programs, project based learning, problem solving activities, open ended questions, encouraging innovation. This strategy helps students develop creativity and higher order thinking. Educational implications. Teachers should identify gifted and creative students, provide individualized structure, encourage critical thinking, support student talent. Education should focus on developing each student's potential. Key exam point. Gifted children have above average abilities. Creative creativity involves original thinking. Should encourage innovation and exploration. Focus is on individual differences in learning. So, in today's class, we discuss gifted children and creative learners and their characteristics. We learn how teachers can support these students through effective teaching strategies and encouragement. Understanding this topic helps teachers develop students' creativity and full potential. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in this CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss language development, another important topic for CTET. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class on Archana's Teaching Up.